Hello guys and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to use the OBS Virtual Camera. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so once you have your OBS open, you should get the option of course here for the virtual camera. Now there are a couple of options there, so you've got scene, source, and then a couple of the preview output or program output. Now, the most simple way to use this, if you are going to be, say, you're streaming, you could be using different softwares like, say, Discord as well, or you could be on another platform per se. So, anyway, what you want to do is you'll see here, you want to go ahead and click Add Source. Now, there's an option there which gives you the video capture device. So go ahead and click on video capture device. Now you can name it however you want. So go ahead and click OK. Now I currently don't have my actual camera enabled, but you'll see here that the OBS Virtual Camera is there. It should show up for your webcam, however way you have it. Anyway, you can go ahead and configure the video, you can deactivate it, you can check out for the resolution type as well, so however way you want to do it. You can check for, you can just bring it back to its defaults. Anyway, when you're happy, go ahead and click OK. And now it may look like the entire screen is pretty much the video capture device, but there are ways to actually adjust that. So you can just pretty much bring that there and you can close it in. And I could just move that at about, so I could have it in the bottom left, I can have it on the bottom right, or the top right. So just however way I want it, I'll just keep it here for now, just so you can see our logo, which is ProfileTree. And then all I would need to start doing is click on Start the Virtual Camera. So of course I will be here. I'll have the screen, of course, when I have the virtual camera. But yeah, that is pretty much it. So there you have it guys, that's a quick and simple tutorial on how to use OBS Virtual Camera. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.